what you kind of don't understand with cancer is that it's an assault on everything that you have. It's an assault mentally because you think you're going to die. It's an assault spiritually, but it's also really an assault on your finances. I wasn't really looking for a policy at that time. It was my husband who was searching for one. So we asked our friend whose brother is with AXA. We came together, and in the course of that conversation, I ended up getting really interested in it. So by the time that they were going to send a copy of the Global Health Access Policy, I also asked for one for me, and then I ended up getting it. My thought at that time was for me and our children to be protected while we were traveling abroad, because we travel quite a bit. I never really thought about it from a lens of sickness or disease. You don't really think that at 40, but I'm very glad that I did. It was a simple day and I was bathing and I noticed something that was irregular. So I went to see my doctor immediately. I did the tests and we were able to confirm that I had stage 2B breast cancer. I remember I would tell my family, I would tell my work, I would tell friends, and most everyone else is crying. Having a good friend of yours or your mom have cancer, I think, creates such a powerful fear. I've had a breast surgery, I've had a mastectomy, I've had a laparoscopic hysterectomy, and several biopsies also in the process. Currently, thankfully, I've been in remission for 3 years. What I appreciate the most about the Global Health Access Policy is the combination of being able to choose and having about over 100 million pesos in coverage. So all in all, I think for all of my treatments thus far, we're probably in the 2 to 3 million peso line. And all of the treatments that I needed, all of the scans that I needed, were all covered by my policy. It takes out the layer of the financial burden. So at least when I think about having to fight cancer, it's not as scary because I know that I'm not going to drain my family's resources because my policy will cover my treatments. After my experience, I got my children the same policy. My brother has the same policy. I think 2 or 3 of my friends have also switched to this policy because I've been given that gift. I feel like I need to share that gift with family and friends. So it's been a really awesome journey so far.